Car part dealers, stop losing sales to incomplete listings while you are manually entering part numbers and struggling with fitment data. Your competitors are using AI to dominate eBay Motors. Here's how top parts dealers actually scale. ATV Galaxy, for example, did not become an eBay top seller by accident. They have solved the same problems that you are facing right now. Compatibility charts that take hours to build manually, part numbers and fitment data that are scattered across spreadsheets, pricing that cannot keep up with market changes, stock levels that go out of sync across all of the platforms that we're using, and also team members that are making costly errors. Every mismatched part listing costs you money, that's for sure. Every outdated price loses you to competitors. Every stock error damages your reputation. 3D Sellers transforms the way car part dealers operate with the help of AI-powered automation. Let artificial intelligence write perfect titles, perfect descriptions, and also fitment data automatically. AI will generate SEO-optimized titles that will rank higher. Automated fitment data that is extracted from already existing charts. Smart descriptions that highlight key specifications. And also real-time price synchronizations across all of your listings. Your parts business needs tools that are built for your niche, which is automotive selling. You can copy the compatibility from an existing listing instantly. You can bulk update part numbers and applications. You will get a full eBay Motors catalog integration and automated cross-referencing for related parts. AI-powered stock controls prevent overselling while your team stays coordinated. Real-time stock synchronization across all of your selling platforms. Automated reorder alerts before you run out. Full team access with custom permissions. And bulk operations that will save you more than 20 hours every single week. The results speak for themselves. 40% faster listing creation with the help of AI optimization, 25% increase in search visibility with smart titles, 15% boost in conversion rates with perfect fitment data, zero overselling with automated stock controls. While you are manually building compatibility charts, AI-powered dealers are just capturing your market share. You can try 3D Sellers for free for 7 days. No credit card required. Experience AI-powered listing optimization and try out eBay Motors integration and watch your parts business transform. Go to 3dsellers.com right now because your competition is already using AI, so do not get left behind. 3D Sellers, the AI-powered advantage for serious car parts sellers.